Video, I'm going to teach you how to set email alias in Outlook. Alright, so let's go ahead and open Outlook. I'm just launching it here and waiting for everything to load up on my screen. Once you're inside your account and you can see your inbox, we're going to start by going to your profile settings so we can add an alias email address. So I'm moving my cursor up to the top corner and clicking on profile. That's usually where your account picture or initials are displayed. When I click that, a small menu appears, and from there I'm going to select my profile. Go ahead and click that and it should open your account management page in a new tab or window. Now that I'm on the profile page, I'm looking for the section labeled Your Info. I'm clicking on Your Info now, and this is where your basic account details are stored. Just give it a second if the page is still loading. Once I'm in Your Info, I'm going to look for the option that says Edit Account Info. I'm clicking on Edit Account Info, and this takes me to the Account Security and Identity Management page. This is where we can add another email identifier for the same account. At this point, I'm going to click Add Email. You should see this option somewhere on the page, usually near your existing contact details. When I click Add Email, a small set of choices appears depending on what type of alias you want to create. Now I'll go ahead and select an option from the list. Just pick the alias type that works for you. After selecting the option, I'm going to enter a username for the new alias email. I'm typing in the username I want to use. Make sure it's something you can remember and that it follows whatever format Outlook requires. Once I've typed the username, I'm going to click Add Username. Go ahead and click that button to confirm the alias creation. Outlook will process the request and attach the new alias email to your existing account. After that's done, you should see the new email alias appear in your account settings. That means you can now use that alias when sending or receiving emails depending on how you configure your preferences. And that's pretty much it. We opened Outlook, clicked on Profile, selected My Profile, went to your info, clicked Edit Account Info, chose Add Email, selected an option, entered a username, and clicked Add Username to finish setting up the alias. That's how you set an email alias in Outlook.